Focus. Noun. Concentration of attention. I believe I can bring the high degree of focus required for this important job. Focus. Verb. To cause rays of light, etc., to converge at a single point. Focus. Verb. To adjust a lens, an optical instrument, in order to position an image with respect to the focal plane. You'll need to focus the microscope carefully in order to capture the full detail of this surface. Focus. Verb. To concentrate one's attention. If you're going to beat your competitors, you need to focus. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.